Hey y'all, today I'm gonna build a trellis for these beans so they'll have something to grow on other than these little sticks I've got here. Give them a place to go. What I'm gonna do that with is I've got these two fiberglass fence poles from Tractor Supply. I've got some electric fence wire, and that's pretty well it. I've got something to cut the fence wire with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this one and go here, anchor that in the ground good, and you can see these have little places that you can run your wire through. So I'm gonna get one on the other side, and then I'm just gonna run the wire around, and that should give these beans a place to grow, something to cling on to. So I'm just going to roll out a little bit of this. And just make a little loop here. And give it a twist. This will be, of course, my uppermost It doesn't have to be super tight. Just gonna cut it here. Get on a little better angle. That's one. I may have actually made that a little too tight, but I'm gonna go with it for now. We'll see. See how that turns out. I think it'll be okay. Can always come in a little bit with this post. That one got away from me. Two. I'm gonna run one more. Just for fun. That's it. My beans should start climbing on the wires, keep everything off the ground. Hopefully they're gonna be happier with that than these little sticks. Not gonna take the sticks away from them right now. May not ever take the sticks away. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. All right, thanks for stopping in. Bye, guys.